In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut exporting errors on PC. If you're trying to export a project and keep running into an error message, don't worry. There are a few quick checks that usually clear it up. Start by opening CapCut and heading to the menu in the top left. Go to File, then Settings. In the Settings window, switch to the Performance tab. Here, turn off the option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. You can also try turning off Speed Up Hardware Decoding. These acceleration options use your computer's graphics hardware to process video faster, but on some systems or drivers they can trigger export failures. Disabling them forces CapCut to use a more compatible path. Click Save to apply the changes, then try exporting your project again to see if that did the trick. If the export still fails, make sure your project is saved, then close CapCut completely, including the home screen. Once it's fully closed, relaunch it from your Start menu. On the home window, click the Settings gear in the top right and open Settings again. Look for the trash can icon labeled as the CapCut cache. Click the trash icon and confirm with OK. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can become corrupted and cause export errors, but it does not delete your projects or media. When it's finished, click Save. Now reopen your project and try exporting once more. If you're still stuck, check whether the project includes any pro-only features while you're on the free plan. In the timeline or asset list, CapCut will mark items that belong to the Pro plan. If even one Pro effect, filter, transition, or asset is present, and you don't have an active Pro subscription, the export can be blocked. Remove those Pro elements or replace them with free alternatives. Once you've cleared them out, try the export again. A quick recap. First, disable hardware encoding and decoding if needed in performance settings and save. Second, fully close CapCut, relaunch it, clear the cache from the settings window, save, and reopen your project. Third, make sure there are no pro-only items in your project if you're on the free version. Following these steps in order solves most export errors without touching your actual edits. I hope this helped you get your video out successfully. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.